know that Canada is a much, much smaller economy. There is $1 trillion economic relationship between the two. But I'll tell you this, is that those tariffs on Monday has ignited this national fever across Canada, where they are willing to sacrifice possible economic weakness and suffering for some time if there are tariffs imposed, but they say we want a fair trading relationship. And as you heard from Canada's Prime Minister Trudeau, who I've interviewed twice in the last 4 years, including his first appearances at the Chamber of Commerce and Economic Club of New York, they don't think that that President Trump is joking when he says that he wants to make Canada the 51st state. Now, so Canada is probably looking at this from a more conservative angle, but the nationalism and this upcoming election might take policy in different directions. Well, as I mentioned to you, American exceptionalism is a real thing. So you saw the jobs numbers coming in slightly below estimates, and that's because the quits rate has gone down. So there are fewer jobs available, and you saw that with job openings as well. That tells us, though, that there is firepower, and there could be some relief from the central bank. The Federal Reserve could be cutting interest rates, since interest rates are still close to these multi-decade highs. So there is available options if we see a slowing in the U.S. economy. But as I mentioned to you, President Trump is a mark-to-market president, so he cares what the stock market and the economy says about his leadership.